Manikgad Fort and Temple is a popular trekking spot situated near Panvel. The fort is situated near Vashivali, RasayaniMIDC, which is 27 km from Panvel. We boarded the ST bus to Vashivali to reach the base village Vadgaon. We started towards Vadgaon village after getting down Vashivali. We came across a big temple to our right hand side and we took the right turn there and entered a village and proceeded to the fort. After a little walk from the village, we are into the climb. The initial climb is quite stiff through some muddy trail. After the stiff climb of 20 minutes from the base village, we reached the first plateau. As you walk this jungle trail, lots of small streams come on your way. Some places the trail is little rocky and confusing. You will need to take a left after crossing few streams. From the diversion point, we hike for another 10 minutes to reach the Hanuman temple. Please be careful, especially during the jungle trail, as I was told that people often get lost in this jungle and they had to be rescued. The further way goes through grassy green land and steep rocky trail. Well, the fort was not actually a fort. It was more like a vestige of few standing structures. The first door to the fort was completely destroyed. The second door was at least looking like a door and had some sculptures of Lord Ganesha. There are more than 4 water tanks, 2 on the way and rest on the top. One tank resembles the size of a huge swimming pool. We hardly spent only 15 minutes on the top because of the heat and no shades on the top. There is a small temple on the top. Thank you for watching Gypsy Brothers. See you next week with another exciting episode.